Ever wonder why some people seem to have a natural radiant glow to their skin? The secret might be on their plate, not in their makeup bag. The power of superfoods in promoting healthy, glowing skin is not to be underestimated. First up, we have avocados. These creamy delights are not just for your toast. Packed with vitamins E and C, avocados help to protect your skin and keep it hydrated, giving you that coveted, dewy glow. Next on the list, we have almonds. Almonds are a great source of vitamin E, which acts as an antioxidant, protecting your skin from free radicals and UV damage. Snack on a handful of these and watch your skin thank you. Then, there's sweet potatoes. These are high in beta-carotene, which acts as a natural sunblock. When consumed, this antioxidant is converted into vitamin A, which can help to keep your skin healthy and vibrant. Now let's talk about bell peppers. Especially the red ones, they're packed with vitamin C, which is necessary for creating the protein collagen that keeps your skin firm and strong. Moving on, salmon is a superfood that's a great source of omega-3 fatty acids, known for their incredible skin-clearing properties. These healthy fats help to keep your skin supple and moisturized, reducing inflammation and skin redness. Kale, the king of superfoods, is up next. This leafy green is rich in vitamins A, B, C, and K, as well as antioxidants and phytonutrients. All these nutrients combined help to repair your skin from the inside out, giving you a youthful, vibrant glow. Finally, we have the humble blueberry. These small berries pack a punch when it comes to antioxidants, which protect your skin from damage, keeping it looking youthful and fresh. So there you have it. Avocados, almonds, sweet potatoes, bell peppers, salmon, kale, and blueberries. These superfoods are full of essential nutrients and antioxidants that can help to give your skin that healthy, natural glow. But remember, while incorporating these superfoods into your diet can significantly boost your skin's health, it's also crucial to maintain a consistent skincare routine and drink plenty of water. And of course, always protect your skin from the sun. In the world of skin health, what you put in your body is just as important as what you put on your skin. So why not give these superfoods a try and watch your skin glow from the inside out?
Subscribe to Nourish Nest